So as you guys know, the Snapchat geofilters are due on Sunday, February 9th by 11:30 p.m. And remember to do 4 different designs for 4 different publicly used locations. And I did put the project details link to that project just in case you guys didn't know. If you click on this, if we actually scroll through here, we can find that I wanted you to do the 4 different designs for 4 different locations, and then also I want you to save out a PSD and then export out a PNG file. And then submit the PNG and PSD files to me in Brightspace. So we want to make sure we turn off that eyeball in the layers panel on the buffer zones before exporting the PNG file, and so that you don't have those in your design. You don't want your buffers in there. And also if you did end up putting in a photo behind your filter just to see what it would look like, turn the eyeball off on that too. And then I want to show you an example of the files that you're going to be submitting. So I'll need the PSD files, the PNG files, and then also screenshots of your emails that you got from the Snapchat team, because I want you to prove to me that you've actually submitted your work. So as you can see, Erica's got her stuff in here. She's got her PSD for her Fairgrounds Snapchat, her Fresno, her Blue Pony Stadium, and then her Legion Park PSD as well. And then she has the PNG for each one of those files as well. So there's 8 files here total. And then she has 3 screenshots. I'm sure, probably, and this kind of proves to me from her emails, inbox, basically, she took a Snapchat of what she was sent, in response to her submitting her file. It's taking a while to load here, but it's basically going to kind of look like this. This one actually includes just the Fresno one that she did, but this one might have probably 2 in it. So there's her Blue Pony one that she did, and then her Legion one that she did, and then this one has, so it shows me that she has submitted all 4. There's the Fairgrounds one she did. So this one actually does tell me that she submitted all 4. So anyway, that's kind of what I wanted to show you. Those are the files that I'm wanting for Brightspace. And there's quite a few, as you can see. I mean, I think there's probably 11 different files. So, and on Monday, we're going to actually critique these as a class. I realized with the last class, we didn't do critique. So we're actually going to be doing critique on Monday, and then we'll be starting our next assignment using, we'll be making videos, promotional videos, and also maybe a little bit of a fine art video that's more of like a self-portrait maybe. Don't have it totally worked out in my mind yet, but I will have it ready for you guys soon. So anyway, we'll talk to you soon. We'll see you on Monday.